Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture Discord video with OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you have your Discord app already open on your desktop. This is important because OBS needs Discord to be running in order to capture it properly. Now go ahead and launch your OBS application. Once OBS is open and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find your Sources panel. This is where you'll add Discord as a capture source. In the Sources section, click on the plus icon to add a new source. A menu will pop up with several capture options. From this list, select Window Capture. This option allows you to capture a specific application window, which is exactly what we need for Discord. A new dialog box will appear asking you to name your source. You can rename it if you want to keep things organized. For example, you could type Discord to make it easy to identify later. Once you've named it, click OK to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see the properties window for your window capture source. This is where you'll tell OBS which application window to capture. Look for the window drop-down menu near the top of this properties window. Click on it to reveal a list of all the applications currently running on your computer. From this list, find and select Discord. Make sure you're selecting the correct Discord window if you have multiple windows open. Once you've selected Discord, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, you should see the Discord window appear in your OBS preview. The capture is now active and OBS is recording whatever is displayed in your Discord window. If you notice that the Discord capture doesn't quite fit your scene or looks too large or too small, you can easily resize it. Simply click on the Discord source in your preview window and drag the corners or edges to adjust the size and position until it looks just right for your recording or stream. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Discord video capture in OBS, and you're now ready to record or stream your Discord calls, screen shares, or any other activity happening in the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.